Arifa! Bucket? Do you know? Ah, bucket!
ساتل.
Bucket!
وي خطأ. هو ساتل.
We have to fill it up with hot water for the dogs. Wait, that's cold water. That's cold water. We are filling a bucket with hot water right now so we can give the dogs a shampoo. And simultaneously, we're doing a camera test because my camera's broken. So we'll see if this works. This is my bathroom. It's not that pretty. Alright, I think that's pretty good. Okay, now we have to get the dog shampoo. This shampoo says conditions, cleans, and detangles. Ekram! Sag! Shampoo! Let's see if they know what's coming. Niru! Okay, Ekram. This is Ekram. He's my chowkador. He's a very good man. Right? Ekram Huas. Yeah. Heli Mabulasti. I just said he was beautiful. Oh no. They do not want to be shampooed. Limu! Come on. Come here. Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna shampoo you. Come on. Oh. Here we go. Oh. I love this dog. She's so cute. Nothing like a wet dog, right? Now this dog I found. Oh, you're okay, you're okay. This dog I found last winter outside the Canadian Embassy with Anna. We were walking back from a party at the Canadian Embassy and she was about this big and shivering in the snow. It was very sad. So we brought her back, got her the shots, and got her rid of worms and stuff like that. And now she's this big. Oh. Yeah, okay. All right, here we go. Let's get him. Come on, buddy. Yeah. Come on. Come on. You're really dirty. It's gonna be over in just a little bit, okay?
Yo bozava partneram. Yeah, uzay. Ura.
Now this dog I got from Turquoise Mountain. He was biting everyone at the fort and they were gonna put him down. So one day my friend Graham showed up and deposited him on my doorstep, which I was really not happy about because he was really mean to me when I first met him. He bit me a couple times. It's not very nice, but that's only because in Afghanistan, Afghans hate dogs. They think they're harob, they're dirty animals. So all dogs are street dogs and they get kicked and beaten and rocks thrown at them and stuff. It's terrible. So after a couple of weeks here, he's now the sweetest dog in the world. Oh. Look at that, just dripping down. It's so dirty. Chowkador in Dari is literally seat man. He's a guy who sits at the front of the house and guards your house, but Ekram is much more than a seat man, right? Seat man. You're much more than a seat man. You're awesome, man.
Seat man also.
Hele hlas!
Hele خوب شد.
Uh-oh. Ah. Come on, guys. Oh, come on. Yeah. Good. All right. Well, that's our day's work done. Dogs are clean.